Hi, my name's Jason and welcome to JaayJeee Woodcraft. I recently got a question about how I got this 3D model spinning in the bottom of my video, and I wanted to give you all a quick and easy tutorial of how I did this. The program I'm using today will be Premiere Pro. I'm sure you can do it in iMovie or Final Cut, and it's probably a pretty similar process because they both have green screen options as well. So here we have just some standard footage from my most recent video of the Rocklet Plywood Challenge entry. I've also got some pre-recorded SketchUp footage with a green background. If you've already got a lot of green in your footage, you might want to try something blue or something bright pink, but green's going to work for me. So basically I'm going to take that footage and drag it down into my timeline, and then either in the Graphics or Effects workspace, click on your green screen footage and go to the Effect Controls tab in the top left. Here I'm just using the position and scale effects to move it to the bottom corner. In the Effects workspace, click in the search bar in the top right and search for the effect called Ultra Key, and drag that effect over onto your green screen footage. Over to the left in the Effect Controls panel, you'll see a new Ultra Key subheading. Click the eyedropper, then click the background color from your green screen footage, and you'll see the background disappear. Everything that was green will now be see-through, and you can position the model wherever you want. This is a great addition to any project video and can really highlight what you're working on to your viewers. Alright everyone, I'd like to thank you all for watching, and if you thought this was helpful, do me a favor and click subscribe. My name's Jason from JaayJeee Woodcraft. See you next time.